What's up, everybody? Christina here. So, today we have to talk about some massive, honestly shocking breaking news that is absolutely rocking the theme park community. If you haven't seen the headlines yet, Fun Spot Atlanta is officially permanently closing its gates. Now, this feels completely, surreal, to even to say that. The CEO for SponSpot, John Arie Jr., just released a statement calling it, an extremely, difficult decision. They didn't give specific, reasons for the sudden shutdown, but they've officially set the final day of operations, and that's going to be August 2nd, 2026. And that's, after nearly a decade under the Fun Spot banner and over 30 years, if you count its history as the old Dixie Fun Park, this Georgia staple is going to be gone for good. And it's so sad. But, let's get to the right down to the elephant in the room, right? And the piece of news that has every roller coaster enthusiast on the planet staring at their screens in pure disbelief, like, what on earth is going to happen to ArieForce One? Now, I'm super devastated because I haven't even had a chance to write this one. So those of you who might not know, ArieForce One isn't just a standard carnival ride or little roller coaster. This is a multi-million-dollar custom-built steel coaster manufactured by Rocky Mountain Construction, also known as RMC. Now, it only just recently just opened in 2023, and we are talking about a massive 154-foot lift hill, a 83-degree first drop, 4 intense inversions, and the largest zero-G stall, in the entire country. Coaster enthusiasts literally rank this thing as one of the best rides on the planet. It's a modern masterpiece. And now, just 3 years into its lifespan, its home park is completely disappearing. It's so sad. Like I said, I'm devastated. If I could, I'll be on the next flight out. But what makes this agonizing is that FunSpot's official press release didn't say a single word about the coaster's future. It didn't mention if it's staying, moving, or being sold. It's in complete limbo. So let's look at this practically. What actually happens to a world-class ride, nearly brand new coaster when its park shuts down. I think there are three paths that they could take. I'm gonna say scenario number one, Fun Spot relocates it, because remember, Fun Spot America still operates in its highly successful flagship parks down in Orlando and Kissimmee in Florida. They could, technically dismantle ArieForce One and ship it that direction. If they did, it would instantly put those Florida properties on the map, I think, and compete with the big dogs over in Orlando. And everybody would be happy, right? The catch, moving this a massive steel coaster is incredibly expensive. And spaces, I think, is already tight at the Florida location in Orlando. And I think scenario number two, it gets sold to another chain. A custom design, practically a brand new custom design by RMC is a gold mine. They can cut up their losses and sell it to Cedar Fair, Six Flags, which is combined now, or a wealthy independent park could also buy it maybe for a little discount. Or, they dismantle it, retheme it, and ship it to a park elsewhere, like I said, which is another possibility. And then there's scenario number three, the worst case scenario, demolition. If the land has been sold to a developer who wants it cleared immediately and no park steps up to buy the coaster in time, it could face the scrap for sure. But honestly, leaving a world-class asset like ArieForce One to be turned into scrap metal would be an absolute tragedy and a massive financial waste. So I'm betting, heavily that we see relocation or a sale. But the bottom line is this: a roller coaster of this caliber closing down just 3 years after it opened is completely, it's insane, and it's crazy. But if you're anywhere near Atlanta, you have until August 2nd, 2026 to get out there and, marathon this legendary ride. I wish I could. Like I said, I'll be on the next flight out if I could. Go get that final credit and those final front row views, because once August 2nd hits, the gates are closing for good. If you already have the Atlanta season pass, I think they did confirm they would honor it at the Florida locations for the rest of the year. But as for me, I'll be keeping my eyes glued to the news to see where ArieForce One lands next. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this news? Where do you think where it's gonna go? What's gonna happen? All that good stuff. Because like I said, I'm truly devastated. If they scrap this and I didn't get a chance to ride one of the best RMCs made, I'm gonna be devastated. But either way, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. And as always, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.